Hi, is the pressure for more digitalization increasing in your company? You have so many assets but so little time, and data science departments are already overloaded? Your solution is called Visplore, the software for fast answers from sensor data. With Visplore, your engineers take data utilization into their own hands for advanced, automated analysis within a few clicks. This enabled Hafslund Echo to detect and explain an overheating turbine bearing and save over €1 million in maintenance costs. And your data can do so much more. Localized leaks, maximize building safety, and detect fouling in heat exchangers, coolers, and pipes. Visplore unlocks the value of your data to your engineers in a plug-and-play manner without any programming and without bothering IT departments every time. It works like this. Import time series data from historians, databases, and files. Filter and cleanse the data on the fly. Identify ideal operating states, for example startups or ramp downs of power plants, by intelligent pattern search. Define undesired states graphically and interactively, such as tolerance corridors for the pressure drop during plant shutdown, because static threshold values are usually not enough, and evaluate them automatically on a regular basis, so you won't miss a thing anymore. Root cause analysis is just one click away. And the adjustment of rules is also done by the engineers. Visplore enables database decisions for engineers in day-to-day operations. This saves hundreds of working hours and reduces downtimes enormously. Globally trusted by leading companies. Increase productivity when working with data and master the digital transformation with your existing team. Visplore, leading analytics for operation and maintenance. Arrange a meeting with our experts today and benefit from our experience with your use cases.